Hello guys, and today I'm going to unbox this game. It is Ghostbusters, a video game on the Xbox 360. So it says Xbox 360, Xbox Live, PAL, Ghostbusters video game. It's a 12 spine Ghostbusters video game PAL. And the back right there, it says get signed this haunting new adventure. It's saying 12 contains online and violence and bad language. Yes, okay. So it says join the original cast as the new recruit and experimental equipment technician, sorry. Bust ghosts with upgradable proton pack, powerful ghost traps and a PK meter. Illuminate paranormal threats in an online multiplayer co-op. So that's cool. And there's like stuff going on there. Yeah, and up there that says battle Stay Puft Slimer and a host of terrifying new ghosts in an all-new adventure written by the original Ghostbusters creators. Dan Aykroyd and Harold Ramis use all the newest experiment equipment to control chaos from free-roaming vapors. Free-roaming vapors, there you go. To focus non-terminal repeating phantoms and worse. www.ghostbustersgame.com. And then when you open it up, yeah, my one says PAL by the way, not NTSC. So you open it up, there you go, and I get this booklet. But on the back of this booklet there's Stay Puft. I'm sure you like that. And this is all notes, this part. Customer service numbers and things. Yeah, there's different languages and things. So if you're like, oh yeah, there's like it tells you what language it is in the thing. So in here's like all the age ratings and things, like 3, 7, 12, 16, 18, and all the little should we go to English so you can see better? Yeah, here's some of the power-ups in Xbox Live mode in Ghostbusters video game, like Ghost Stunner. It destroys and stuns all ghosts in range. Pink Slime turns ghost friendly with pink. Yeah, turns ghosts friendly and pink white. A wild pink. Wait, sorry, I'm saying the sentence all wrong. Start again. Turns all ghosts friendly and pink. Wild pink. They attack other ghosts. That's cool. Ghost Shrinker shrinks ghosts down so they are puny. What? Fair enough. Proton Accelerator supercharges the blast stream and enables the boson dart. Ethereal Shield. Agent Coulson of S.H.I.E.L.D. is online. I'm a member of S.H.I.E.L.D. Hell Carrier. Creates a damage resistant shield for limited time. And then ammo. Players do not have unlimited ammo, as in single player players pick up ammo canisters for each weapon type. The ammo level is shown on the pack in the HUD. Unique Xbox Live features. What's it saying? Note: look for unique Xbox Live achievements related to power-ups, most wanted ghosts, and playing or job types. Check out the top Ghostbusters and you see how your friends compare. Yeah, you can like beat and everything. And there's like job types and everything. Yeah, this is all the information on Xbox Live. Wrangling and capturing and things. Upgrades. Oh. Did I miss it? So, overload pulse, secondary fire. Yeah, this is the Mesion collider. Shock blast, primary fire. Stasis stream, secondary fire. That's the stasis stream thing. Slime blower Mark II, primary fire. Slime tether, secondary fire. That's the slime blower in the game. Mesion collider, primary fire, and then overload pulse, secondary fire. Ghost trap, PKE meter, paragoggles. Equipment, blast stream, primary fire. Boson dart, secondary fire. Yeah, that picture's not even how you see in the game. It's just a little bit different though. Heads up display, HUD. Health bar. Equipment, stasis meter. Teammate portraits. Creative status. Damage claim. And then creature reward. Firehouse Ghostbusters HQ, yes. Headquarters. Yeah, and this is actually the controls in English. And everything. Oh crap, sorry guys. You don't really miss a lot there. Confidential. Yeah, same about the letter and the rookie says. Yeah, and there are the contents. And there's the art you see on the front of the thing. It's quite a long leaflet, booklet. And here's the disc. It's saying PG on there for some reason, and then Ghostbusters video game. Xbox 360, Xbox Live. Do not make illegal copies of this disc. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn the bell notifications on. So, I'll see you in the next video. See you later, alligators. Bye.